Hi my friends, it's Ian over at Buildabizonline. I just wanted to shoot this short video to tell you what I have added. I forgot to do this, but it has been on your programs page for around about a month now. Okay, now can you guess what I added? Well, if you go to your home page, which you can see here, this is mine. Okay, now here, this directs people, if they click on that, to your recommended ads, your programs page. Now, as a free member, you can add one program to your programs page. This was the very first tool that we added back 17 years ago. The very first tool, a programs page, and many tools, as you know, we've evolved into something not to be argued with. Okay, now I choose to set up my programs page my way. You can set up yours your way. Okay, but this is my programs page, and then I'm going to show you what I've added on your programs page. Okay, so let's click on here. Now I've only got 2 ads on my programs page. As a pro member, I can do quite a lot on my programs page. I keep saying programs page. I'm going to try not to say that now. Right at the top, I made a banner using our tools. Okay, and it's this one here. And that has attracted quite a lot of people to sign up underneath me. And I have also added one just for you, at no cost to you. In other words, as I say, you can add one program if you are free. You can add 20 programs in this form if you are upgraded. Don't do that to you. Let's go back again. We're going round and round in circles here. Okay. Now, as you know, I've probably told you in a lot of videos, it's been, well, years, 15 years since I stopped chasing after the next pretty program, the shiny ball syndrome. I stopped that a long time ago, and all I've ever done is to promote Buildabizonline, knowing that people that are affiliate marketers, not members, affiliate marketers, need tools to stand out from the rest, to create their own splash pages, to create their own banners, unique to everybody else that is promoting in the same sort of affiliate programs as you are. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Because if everybody in an affiliate program promoted the same banners, the same capture pages, the same splash pages, people would get fed up with it, and once they've looked at it, they would just sail by. But if you can create something unique about that affiliate program, you've got a better chance. So that is why we put all these tools together here at Buildabizonline. And I digress. So what have I added on your programs page? So this is the only other ad, and that is the team build for Buildabizonline, because I'm trying to help as many people as possible get at least 2 pro members under them, and that way they're in profit. This is what I've added, the very same banner that I added up at the top on my page. It's only on my page. I have added this right at the bottom of everybody's programs page. Okay, that way when people hover over there and click, can you see on the bottom left of the video? That is my username on the end. On yours, please check it, feel free to check it. It will be your username. So when somebody clicks on that, people will sign up underneath you at Buildabizonline. But please make sure that you let people know in your circle of, I call them networking. When you talk to people about the programs that you belong to, the affiliate programs, that is what's called networking, word of mouth. They need tools, and you need tools to stand out from the rest of the people. So let them know about Buildabizonline. That's all I've ever done for the past 15 years, and I can make a full-time income with Buildabizonline because I don't keep joining all these other programs. I stick with the plan. I said that I would stick with Buildabizonline, not just because it's mine, it's because I've put all the tools in one place. All the tools are in one place. I don't have to go here, there, and everywhere for the tools that I need. Okay, my friend, it's just like my toolbox that I can see over in the corner. I've got a job to do. It's got all my tools in one place to get the job done that my wife has given me to do. Okay, my friend, so I just wanted to let you know about that. I've added that at the bottom of your programs page to help you build your list at Buildabizonline that you can then, even if you're a free member, you can mail your downline from your members area. Do you want me to show you where that is? Let's see if I can log in. If I click on there, yeah. If you go to your affiliate links, just there, you can view your downline. So keep checking that now and again. And then if you click on here, you can email your downline. Watch when I click on there, I can put a subject in there and I can put a message in there. You can do this in text form in there or HTML. It knows the difference, and therefore you can contact your downline. And I would do that offering them help. Don't say, oh, I've joined the best affiliate program in the world. Come and join it now. Please be professional. Help people in your downline. If you've learned how to use a tool, why not say, I've just learned how to use the banner builder at Buildabizonline. Okay, my friends. Incidentally, that banner on the programs page, let me come back over here. It's at the top on mine, and I'll put it at the bottom on mine. Okay, this was built using one of Buildabizonline's tools. Like I said, we've got every tool in one place. So I'd like to say thanks for listening. If you wish to, please leave a comment underneath the video as to the content that I've just told you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on whether that's a good idea to put that banner at the bottom. Most have said, thank you, Ian. That's advertising Buildabizonline some more and therefore helping me to get a downline there. Okay, so just let me know. If you need any more tools, please let us know, and we can get them done in the new year. Okay, my friends, thanks for listening. Bye for now. Love you lots.